Hi, this is Petros from picallycalendar.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a photo calendar with a brand new version Pically 6.0. So starting from the home page, click on this button here, or in the navigation just click on create monthly calendar, and then from here you can select one of your favorite calendar templates. So let's pick this one for instance. After selecting the template, you can upload your photo here. Make sure to either drop a image file here or select one here while clicking the photo area and then choose, and then once it's available here you can click on the edit, and here you can customize or crop the image you want to have displayed in your calendar. Click on confirm, and then don't forget to click on upload in order to see it in the preview area. So there we go, we have uploaded it, and then the next step we can click on customize, step number 3. So you can always click on these tabs to go back and forth to change something. So here we have the preview, and here you can select your calendar. For instance, let's create one for October, and then you can change the language, for instance, for your calendar, and you can directly see once you change it in the language in the preview. Here you can select the font. So the ones that have a premium font behind the name, these are, as the name indicates, premium fonts that are available in the premium edition only. So if you don't have it, feel free to purchase it in order to be able to use the premium fonts here. So as you can see, you can change and immediately see how the font looks like. You could select a holiday, for instance, for Germany and United States currently. And then you could say if you want to start with Sunday or Monday. Right, so once you have finished your customization, you can click the download, the last step, and then wait a couple of seconds for the calendar to be generated. And then once it's generated, it will be downloaded automatically. And this is the result. This is how it looks like. And then you could repeat those steps as much as you like. So you could, for instance, go to step number 1 and pick another template, and then you could go ahead and upload another image, as I've already done here. And then, for instance, we want to create another one for the next month, November, and then here I've also added an event, so you can click on manage events on some calendar types which support it, and then as soon as you enter the date and the title, it will be automatically displayed here, as you can see. And then you click on the download button, wait a couple of seconds, and then it will be downloaded for this calendar as well. There you go. So that's basically it. If you like, you can also choose one of the already uploaded photos in our website. So if you would like to create a cat calendar, for instance, you could go ahead and choose one of the provided pictures that we are getting from Unsplash. So when you click on the calendar, you could immediately download it, or you can click on customize, and then once you customize it or click on it, you can for instance crop the photo again, and then click on confirm, upload, and then once it has been uploaded, you can go ahead and customize your picture, your calendar, and then download it. Yes, that's pretty much it with the new version. We hope you like the new way of creating calendars. We think that this usability is much clearer than the version before we had. And yeah, so have fun downloading your calendars, and if you like Pically, feel free to either purchase Pically Premium, or give us a like or a share or a little donation via PayPal. We would be very happy about it. So have fun and see you soon.